Welcome to Kids Hub.
This is Sana. She really wants to vote, but she has no idea if she's registered for voting. Well, Sana turned 18 last year, and according to the Elections Act of 2017, Sana is eligible to vote for elections. See, in Pakistan, anyone who is 18 and has an ID card can vote in the general elections. In fact, people with ID cards are automatically registered to vote. All you have to do is text your CNIC number to 8300 and you can find out what's your constituency and polling station. This is the only official code for the ECP, so make sure the number is correct when verifying your information. On election day, Sana has to queue up with her original ID card. A photocopy won't do. At the polling station, there will be separate queues for women, and Sana should make sure that once she gets the ballot papers, the assistant presiding officer cuts off her name from the voters list, so nobody else tries to vote for Sana instead. Sana will then get 2 ballot papers, one white for the Provincial Assembly and one green for the National Assembly. Now, once Sana has made her decision and decided to vote, she has to stamp each of the ballot papers in the specific box of the party she wants to vote for. But wait on the papers. The only way Sana can know which party she's voting for is if she knows their election symbols. Plus, if Sana stamps are confusing and all over the place instead of in one box per paper, her vote could get rejected. Stay careful, Sana. Once she's done with the stamping, Sana has to double fold the paper like this and put the white palette paper in the box with a white cover and a green ballot paper in the box with the green cover, and that's that. It's not so complicated to make your voice count, so prep ahead and vote now.
Thanks for watching. For more cute and fun videos, like and subscribe Kids Hub. See you in our next video. Bye bye.